All right, guys. Wellneum sent us an awesome product here. This is their prebiotic fiber, 7 grams per serving in it, and that's the way it comes here, which is super important. There's 80 gummies total, which is super cool per bottle. Let's go ahead and crack these open so we can take a closer look at them. Tons of cool stuff on the bottle themselves. Love the packaging, right? And I think that matters, as you're seeing. So no added sugar, adds and nourishes good bacteria, supports digestive health and regularity, keto friendly as well. Man, check out that. You can see the suggested use. It says chew through, swallow. These are gummies as well. You see the storage on them, and then moving on, you see the supplement facts as well. So you get a little more detail on that, so you can know what is in here. Tons of cool stuff with regard to it. We're going to do a taste test here because I can take these. I always like to make sure that they are good allergy friendly, and they are. So let's go ahead and do a taste and a smell test with regards to it and see what we are working with. All right, let's see if we can get this open. Definitely got a solid lid on it. Let's get it going here. All right. So right off the bat, it's got a purple smell. I don't know what else to tell you other than it's got a purple smell to it. I'm not sure what that really means. Let's go ahead and take a look at these gummies. They're a unique looking thing here. They're definitely unique. Got a good smell to them. A little on the squishy side, which is kind of perfect. So let's go ahead and see what Wellneum does as far as putting these guys together. Doesn't taste bad. I'll give it to them. Not a bad taste whatsoever. Not really chalky tasting. Just kind of like a super, almost got like a grapey style flavor to it. Very earthy, very grapey. Just like a very clean flavor to it. That is a serving size of 3 gummies, and there is 26 servings in the bottle. So keep that in mind. But I'm super excited to utilize these and see how I react to them, just for the prebiotic fiber that comes along with it from Wellneum, because they got an awesome product here. Going to be easy tasting, very simple to go down, and super excited to add it to my wellness journey. So check it out.